Next topic, View tab, macros and windows in MS Word. Steps, View tab, their macros. Once you click in this down arrow, clicking after, here View macros, record macros. After in this one displayed, it means what? You creating the shortcut key. Macros is first given the name. Press the name automatically. Matter display or any own matter particularly given the name and store that. Press given the name suddenly, that matter displayed, and shortcut key also given. Creating the shortcut key, that key also automatically activated. After click OK. See here, first click macros. In arrow key is there. First click that. Click first recording. Clicking after, in this dialog box open. Here see button. First macro name is entered. I am given to the name Karthik. After given the keyboard action. Yes, what is the key here? Press the keyboard key. Here given the name. Yes, now I am here keyboard action using the Control Alt Shift, any keys on the keyboard. I am given the Control Z I am given. This after click assign. Next after close. Now see recording started. Now recording started. I am typing here. MS Office 2016. Now again down arrow, press stop recording. Now which keyword? Again repeat same matter. Click enter. Again when go to macros, there recording macro and view macros, there which name are given? See once again. This after the same matter repeated. What's you doing? First again go to the macros. There view macro. Which name are given? Karthik, and run. The matter repeated, and they are given to the shortcut key now. What is that? Control Z. See here, I am given the Control Z. See here, same matter repeated so many times. See here, Control Z. Matter came. This is called a macro. Next one what? Windows. See here, macro display so many times. Control Z. I am given the Control Z keyword. You are given shift key. Using shift key, shift O, alt O. What use your wish. Windows. First one is new window. I am clicking new window. Here another windows came. Again click new window. Another window came. Now how many windows are open? 1, 2, 2 only. Another window, new window. Again now Now I am open 3 windows. In 3 windows, saw the at a time how it is. See here. I'm open one window. Click View tab. There, Arrange All. What is that? Arrange All. See here. That matter is spread there. This matter is without moving. See here. 3 windows at a time, saying matters move the up and down. This is called a arrange all. Now say next one is split. What is the use? Here I am first paragraph. I went to the third paragraph. The first paragraph not saying there. Using split. Split on that here stopped. See here. Here first paragraph was see the top of that. Here fifth paragraph. Remaining paragraph see the down. This is called a split. How to remove it? Here click remove the split. This is called a Windows and Macros. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.